Hi all, welcome back to DataSurface. Today we are launching something exciting, our brand new series, the Oracle SQL Masterclass. Whether you are aiming for a career in tech or just want to understand how the modern world works, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to unlock the power of the single most important language for data, which is SQL. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what powers the recommendation engine in analytics, or how Amazon manages millions of products and orders flawlessly, or how Uber connects you with a driver in seconds? The answer is data. And the language behind every single one of these data driven decisions is SQL. From banking and e-commerce to healthcare and social media, SQL is the invisible engine running the world's data. As they say, if data is the new oil, SQL is the engine that refines it. So, what exactly is SQL? It stands for Structured Query Language. Think of it in this way: if you wanted to get information from a massive, perfectly organized library, you do need to speak the librarian's language, right? So, assume you want a very big library, you want particular section of book, you definitely need to communicate with the librarian. He will guide where is that book, in which track, exactly where you can get that book, right? Similarly, in the world of data, the database is that library and SQL is the language you use to talk to it. It's how you ask the database to store, retrieve, update and analyze the information inside. But SQL isn't come a new trend. It has an epic journey. It started in the 1970s as a theoretical paper at IBM. By the 80s, it was an official global standard. In the 90s, it powered the rise of commercial gains like Oracle. In the 2010s, it became the core of the cloud revolution with the platforms like Snowflake and BigQuery and all. And today's in 2020s, it's integrating with AI in modern analytics. So SQL has adapted, scaled, and stayed relevant for over 50 years. And that's exactly why learning it today is more featureful than ever. Now, you might hear a lot of hype around AI and data science, and those fields are incredibly important. But look at the data on job skills, SQL remains the topmost skill, is the still king of the data. Why? Because whether you are using a Python for analysis or working on modern cloud platforms like Oracle, Snowflake, BigQuery, the fundamental way you interact with the structured data is through SQL only. So, it is the universal language that ties everything together. To see the bar chart, in especially in the data related jobs or in data engineering space, so the Python and SQL is a good deadly combo, and it has a good pair also. In order to explore anything in any role in the data engineering space in data world, SQL is the fundamental. So this dominance in the market makes learning SQL a true career superpower. It is widely used across every industry imaginable. It is in high demand, appearing in over 90% of all data related job postings. That's what we're talking, right? And it is easy to start. The learning curve is gentle for beginners, but its power is limitless as you grown. You'll see it everywhere. Data analysts, data engineers, data scientists, business intelligence developer, and even backend developer, they all rely on the SQL every single day. And it is widely used one, high demand skill and easy to start. So, what makes SQL so special? It has 4 key characteristics. It is a declarative. You say what you want, not how to get it. It's a standardized, making your skills transferable across different databases. It is an English like syntax, making it easy to read and learn, and it is incredibly powerful and secure, capable of handling massive data sets safely. So, where will you find SQL in the real world? So, it's the engine of modern finance, managing every transaction you make. It is the backbone of healthcare, securing patients' data. It is a power of global e-commerce, tracking every item in your cart. It runs the social media platforms we use daily, manages the players' data in gaming section, and optimizes the global supply chains where not is there. Everywhere is there. SQL is quite literally everywhere. And now you know what and the why of SQL. You understand its history, its power, and its critical importance in today's world. You are officially ready to begin. So, are you ready for what's next? In our very next video, we will cover the complete SQL curriculum or syllabus, outlining every single topic on our journey to mastery. So, this is the roadmap you have been waiting for. If you are ready to build a future-proof career skill, make sure you subscribe to DataSurface and hit the bell so you don't miss the roadmap. It's going to be an incredible journey. See you in the next video. Till the time, thank you. Bye bye.